Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the source to the receiver's AUX or line in with an RCA or 3.5 cable. Make sure the source is powered and playing audio. Once done, press the receiver's input or function button on the remote or front panel to cycle inputs. Stop when you see AUX or line on the display. You do this now because the device must detect a selected input before you change assignments or levels, and it prevents accidental routing to another zone. With AUX selected, go into the receiver settings and find Input Assign or External Input Configuration. This tells the amp what physical jack corresponds to the on-screen AUX label. Choose Analog or Line Level for RCA/3.5 then assign that input to the zone or main speakers you want to use. Next, adjust input sensitivity or trim so the incoming signal matches other sources. This avoids distortion or low volume and ensures consistent volume behavior when you switch sources. Now finalize by playing several tracks with different levels to verify left/right balance and overall volume. Make small adjustments with the receiver's volume, tone, or loudness settings until the sound is natural. Save presets if your model supports storing input assignments. If you don't hear audio, make sure cables are seated, the source's headphone or line output is enabled, and the input assign is still set to AUX. Often a wrong assignment or a muted zone is the single cause of no sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.